A quality water filtration system is essential for contaminant-free drinking water. But with all the options springing up on the market, which ones can you trust? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 6 best Waterdrop filters. Whether a reverse osmosis system, a water pitcher, or an undersink filter, we'll explain the differences between all the options to find the best value for your specific use. As always, we'll include additional information and exclusive direct discounts on these systems and all replacement filters in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best reverse osmosis system is the Waterdrop G3P800 Tankless RO system with UV sterilizing light. Combining best-in-class efficiency, technology, and filtration effectiveness, the Waterdrop is hard to beat. One of the most notable features of the Waterdrop G3P800 Tankless RO water filtration system is its large interactive LED faucet screen. No more bending over to check how your water filtration system is functioning. You see all the important real-time information built into the base of the faucet every time you reach for a drink. At a glance, you'll see the working status of the G3P800 as well as your water's quality filter life, even a system malfunction alert. Designed to reduce over 1,000 harmful substances, the Waterdrop filtration system incorporates a sediment-catching layer to trap sand and rust, plus the unique scale inhibitor layer reduces hard water deposits. Next, an activated carbon block filter removes chlorine, lead, PFOAs, and more. With the water free of sediment and contaminants, the water pushed through the RO membrane designed to reduce impurities like fluoride and any heavy metals larger than 0.0001 microns. Waterdrop goes one step further and adds a UV sterilizer, packing a 99% sterilization rate, guaranteed to kill bacteria and viruses. It works only when water passes, saving more energy. And with its advanced water dispensing technology, you save 12 times more water than with traditional RO systems. The pros are that it reduces 1,000 plus harmful water substances. It sterilizes 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. It treats 800 gallons of water per day. And it has a 3-to-1 drain ratio for minimal wastewater. And TDS reduction rate exceeding 90% meets the NSF ANSI standards. The cons are that you should use a pre-filter if you have well water, and it's a more premium priced option. Also, the filter replacement cost can add up. Next is the best Countertop RO, the brand new Waterdrop K19 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. Using the latest in filtration technology, the Waterdrop uses a 4-stage filter system to safeguard your home's drinking water. With a 0.0001 micron RO membrane, nearly all harmful substances in your tap water will be trapped and removed. Before dispensing, water passes through an ultraviolet light for a 99.9% sterilization rate against viruses and bacteria. The most convenient part is the Countertop RO water filter system requires no installation or plumbing modifications. You'll simply need to plug it into a power outlet to get access for purified water on demand. Therefore, the Countertop RO is perfect for kitchens, offices, RVs, apartments, or anywhere on the go with access to electricity. Since it has an updated modern design, this RO system looks great on any countertop. It incorporates a beautiful, easy-to-read smart LED display with 4 preset dispensing options, including a filter life indicator and TDS value reading. But even though it's designed to be compact, the water tank has a big 170-ounce capacity, which is enough to meet the demands of a large family for the whole day. And unlike many traditional RO units that can waste water, this model has an impressive 3-to-1 efficiency, making it one of the most efficient RO systems on the market. This also helps the RO membrane extend its useful life, so it lasts for 12 to 18 months before needing replacement. The pros are its 4-stage filtration, reduces bacteria, fluoride, TDS, heavy metals, and more. It requires no installation. It has a long 12 to 18 month filter life, and it has a high-efficiency 3-to-1 drain ratio. The cons are that it requires filling up the water tank, unlike an undersink RO system, and it requires having access to an electrical plug. Next is the best water pitcher, the Waterdrop Chubby. The Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher combines the best of aesthetics and filtration performance. We love the durable, BPA-free construction with the stylish wooden handle. The filter is independently NSF 42 certified for the reduction of chlorine, fluoride, taste, and odor. And it's able to purify up to 200 gallons of water before replacement, which is multiples longer than other pitcher brands. Using an activated carbon filter, the Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher has a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute, which means you won't be waiting around for your water to filter. With a large 10-cup water capacity, it doesn't require frequent refills either. However, when it's time to refill, it's very easy because you don't even need to remove the lid. The lid of the Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher has a convenient LED indicator to monitor filtration life. If the light stays blue, your filter is good. However, if the light flashes red, it needs to be replaced soon. If it stays red, it's time to replace it now. Waterdrop designed the Chubby water filter pitcher to neatly tuck into your fridge door with dimensions of 10.43 by 5.31 by 10.04 inches. Additionally, it comes with a 30-day satisfaction guaranteed return policy. The pros are that it's NSF certified filtration performance, it has an extremely long 200-gallon filter life, its BPA-free material construction, and the LED filter replacement indicator. The cons? It does not lower TDS value. RO systems will lower TDS levels. And it has a lower water capacity than other filter systems. Next is the best undersink option, the Waterdrop Undersink Water Filtration System. The innovative Waterdrop Direct Connect system uses multi-stage filtration to reduce chlorine, heavy metals, chemicals, and large sediment particles. At the same time, the filter system also retains healthy minerals such as potassium, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. The Waterdrop filter has been certified against NSF ANSI standards to effectively reduce chlorine, tastes, and odors in your drinking water. Additionally, it utilizes BPA-free materials to ensure the purest filtered water for your home. If you're using the Waterdrop Undersink filter system with municipal water, the filter will last for 8,000 to 19,000 gallons, depending on which model you choose. When it's time to replace, filters are easily switched out in seconds with the twist and lock design. Best of all, you won't have to worry about flow rate reduction with the Waterdrop Undersink water filter. The system has a tested full flow rate of 0.75 GPM at 60 psi. Installation for the Waterdrop Undersink water filter system was designed for easy DIY. From start to finish, it should take less than 15 minutes. Since the filter is only 12.3 inches tall, it's easy to find room under your sink to mount it. The system is compatible with all 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch female threaded connectors for your cold water line. Overall, the easy install and compact design make the Waterdrop Undersink filter perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, apartments, and even RVs. The system is also backed by a full 1-year manufacturer warranty. The pros are its excellent multi-stage filtration performance, ultra-long filter life of up to 19,000 gallons, it's certified against NSF ANSI standards, and it has easy installation in under 10 minutes. The cons are that it requires replacement filters. Next is the best faucet mount option, the Waterdrop Faucet Mount Water Filter. Waterdrop utilizes a premium activated carbon block filter that features a large surface area for maximum water contact to effectively absorb harmful substances that lurk in your tap water, leaving only the purest water. The Waterdrop is NSF certified for the reduction of 94.2% chlorine, taste, and odor. It's also constructed using only lead-free material, so you can be sure of safe and reliable drinking water at all times. The activated carbon material allows for fast filtration, so you don't need to wait around for your water. The faucet water filter system operates at a 0.5 gallon per minute flow rate, so you can fill up to 4 16.9-ounce water bottles in less than 1 minute. But even though this filter is extremely effective, it doesn't require frequent replacements. Each faucet filter provides up to 320 gallons of cleaner water, which is over 3 times longer than most filter alternatives. And since the system has a switch to choose between filtered water and regular tap water, you can prolong the life of the filter. Installation only takes a few minutes and requires no tools, making it a perfect fit for apartments. The water filter features leak-proof technology and can be easily attached to your faucet with one of the included 6 faucet adapters for instant access to clean water at home. The pros are it's NSF certified for the reduction of chlorine, lead, bad taste, odor, and more. It's constructed with BPA-free and lead-free materials. It has a long 320-gallon filter life, and it includes an installation kit with multiple faucet adapters. The cons? It does not include a filter replacement indicator, and it does not work with pull-out faucet heads. Last but not least is the Waterdrop Replacement Refrigerator Water Filter. One of the most cost-effective water filter replacements that you can find in the market today, The Waterdrop replacement water filters are designed for a broad spectrum of refrigerators, including popular GE and Samsung models, and it's been certified by the NSF for standards 42 and 372, proving its efficiency in offering clean water straight to your fridge. This water filter features a high-grade coconut shell carbon block filter that offers twice the surface area and more micropores that help to reduce more contaminants than your regular water filter. The Waterdrop replacement fridge filter has been tested to reduce 99.6% of lead, 96.6% of benzene, 99.99% of cysts, and much more. It can also reduce 97% of sediment, chlorine, and bad taste and odor to deliver only the healthiest drinking water and ice. Since Waterdrop prioritizes your safety, the material used in creating the water filter has been NSF certified for lead-free material. The pros are its low price point for replacement filters. It reduces up to 99.99% of contaminants in tap water. It's tested and certified for standards 42 and 372, and it's high-quality lead-free material. The cons are it's not a factory-certified replacement filter, and it's not available for all fridge models. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.